Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we got CPI inflation data coming out today, which is normally a really big news event. And I'm on the 4-hour time frame for the US dollar index, and I'm still looking at this as possibly being a wave A. This looks like an ABC, like a running ABC for the B. Then we do have what looks like it could be getting very close to being a complete trend for the wave C. We are sitting at the 50% fib, so if this does some sort of like a spike reversal like that today, that would be the most ideal thing to give us a really nice sorting opportunity at the CPI news. We have to remember that the higher time frames definitely have not given us a break of structure to the upside, and the trend is definitely still down on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. Going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, this move down right here kind of looks like it could almost be like a wave 4. It kind of looks like it could possibly drift up more for like a wave 5. And then maybe this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If it continues to hold this 50% Fibonacci, especially if it makes this wave 5, then reverses back down, takes out structure. Like I said on the 4-hour time frame, that would be the most ideal setup right there to tell me that this really is the end of an ABC correction and it really is back into a downtrend. Let's hope that we do set up like this because that's the clarity that I would be looking for a nice short on the dollar or possibly trading some of the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.